National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for
Tornado warning.
southern Piatt County, northeastern Macon County, until 8:15 p.m. At
Okay.
7:43 p.m. Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oriana, or 7 miles north of Decatur, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Cerro Gordo around 7:55 p.m. Beamer and Hammond around 8:10 p.m. Atwood around 8:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cisco, Millmine, La Place, Oakley, and Ivesdale. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 137 and 158.